Me and Jess are heading to the grocery store. We're going to be staying at a friend's cottage.
A cabin.
So,
They're called
a
cabins
okay.
in BC.
A cabin.
When you say cottage, people here are like, you're from Ontario, aren't you?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to call it a cabin from now on.
One of the areas where they did like the gold medals, I think, or the medals. There's a lot of like Olympic stuff here, just like remnants of like the '88 Olympics.
What's this grocery store called?
This is called Blush Lane. Sorry, buddy.
Flash Lane?
Blush Lane.
Blush Lane.
It's an organic store that just opened up recently, and I love it.
Yeah, you guys have an amazing weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Hello.
Hey, babe.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. We're just on our way home. We were just wondering if you guys are ready to rock and roll.
Oh, no. Cleaning up the kitchen. It's a mess.
Is it?
Yeah, there's just shit everywhere. I'm just trying to wash some dishes that were in the dishwasher so it doesn't stink. You left the Archie's thing in there.
Are you packed, babe?
Yeah, I just have to add shorts to my luggage and I'm packed.
Okay, good.
So maybe you guys could come take the recycling down or something in the compost.
Okay.
Justin just showered.
Okay, good. So
That's good.
Yeah, we didn't just sit outside the whole time.
okay, good. I'm proud of you.
Almost.
Oh, you too. I need to watch you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
This is the Canmore Inn. We're going to be staying here for one night with Jess and Ryan. Then tomorrow, I don't know, Moraine Lake, right? That's where we're going tomorrow?
Yes.
So. Oh, it's dark in here. Wait till they're outside.
Oh, Calgary, Alberta. Alberta.
Sorry about the lighting in here. It's a little dark.
We're on our way to McDonald's.
I wasn't filming. It didn't work.
Oh my god.
Oh, is it already back?
Oh, no, it's not. Sorry. This is my natural life. I love it. I'm going different elevators.
I'm so pilsner. Yeah. It's just not that good. Are you?
I think it is a pilsner.
Yes.
You trying to get my take on beers?
Well. Look who decided to come and hang out on our bed. Is it